So anyway, you know that the only way to be famous on YouTube these days is to own one of these, a Bugatti Veyron of the highest quality. You have to have one of these, and then you have to go around with eggs and throw eggs at the Bugatti Veyron. That's the only way to become famous on YouTube, is by doing absolutely stupid crap, or by, hating on other people's channels. That's how you become famous on YouTube. But luckily, we're not on YouTube right now, so we can be nice. Anyway, I'd show you guys the Bugatti Veyron. I don't know if you guys saw the video of the guy. He does an egging video, and within, he takes somebody else's, it's not even his own Bugatti. He throws eggs at it, and within a couple of days, YouTube makes him a YouTube celebrity. That is where YouTube has gone to. Twitter has always been my worst, most hated platform. It treated me like crap and locked me out of my account forever. But then YouTube is becoming a close second now. Anyway, checking out some cool 3D printed things that I've got here, guys. Take a look at this egg. Since Easter is coming up. Yo, what's up, user 420007290? Thank you for showing up today. It's awesome to have some cool people showing up. So what you see here is a 3D printed egg, and look how cool this is. You can open it up, and it is like a Kinder Egg. Remember the Kinder Eggs that they made back in the day? And inside you had toys. Well, look, there is a Top Gun plane inside, and it even has the wing thing that does the opening up and down, like opening up. Isn't that cool? That is so cool. Yo, what's up, Preston Brown 8807? Thank you for joining the live today. You are awesome for joining the live today. If you ever have seen one of these cool things, you can 3D print it yourself if you got a 3D printer, or you can ask somebody to 3D print it for you. These are eggs, like Kinder Eggs, but better. Well, they're not chocolatey, so that part's not so good. But anyway, yo, what's up, Pablo Riviera 518? Thank you so much for joining the live today. What we have here is a really cool egg, and this can be 3D printed by an amazing artist that I support and love so much. And inside you've got a Top Gun plane, so you can put it in here. But this is the cool thing about 3D printing. You can 3D print it like this. Wait, what did I do? You can 3D print it small, or you can 3D print it big. That is entirely up to you. This is the small version, but